Introduction to food packaging and perception. Food packaging is often seen as a functional necessity, but it plays a significant role in shaping how we perceive taste. The visual and tactile elements of packaging can influence not only our expectations but also our sensory experience of food, affecting everything from flavor perception to enjoyment. The role of color in food packaging. Color is one of the most powerful tools in food packaging. Research has shown that bright, bold colors can evoke excitement and anticipation, while muted tones often suggest subtlety or health-conscious options. These color cues can influence how we experience taste, with studies indicating that we may associate specific colors with certain flavors. Textures and materials in packaging affecting taste. The texture of packaging materials, such as smooth plastic versus crinkly paper, can also affect how we perceive food. For example, shiny, sleek packaging may give a sense of luxury or freshness, while matte, rougher textures could signal natural or organic products, shaping our expectations about the taste experience inside. Font and labeling as taste indicators. The fonts and styles used on food packaging send psychological signals about the product inside. Playful, whimsical fonts may suggest a sweet or indulgent product, while clean, minimalist fonts often indicate a more health-conscious item. These visual cues prime us to expect certain flavors and textures, altering our actual tasting experience. Packaging size and taste perception. The size and proportions of packaging can also influence how we perceive taste. Larger packages may make food seem more abundant or satisfying, while smaller packages are often associated with higher quality or exclusivity. This can impact how enjoyable the food feels, regardless of its true taste. How packaging enhances or masks flavors. In some cases, packaging itself can directly impact the flavor of food. For instance, vacuum-sealed packaging helps preserve freshness by limiting exposure to air, keeping flavors intact. Conversely, packaging that allows exposure to light or air may cause food to degrade in flavor more quickly, subtly altering the taste. Sound of packaging. Crunch and sizzle. The sound that food packaging makes when opened can also play a role in taste perception. A crisp, crunchy sound when opening a snack bag, for example, can increase our enjoyment of the food, as it primes our brains to associate the sound with freshness and flavor. This auditory cue can heighten our anticipation and enhance the eating experience. Cultural influences on packaging and taste. Cultural associations with certain packaging styles can influence how we perceive food. In some cultures, traditional packaging methods might suggest authenticity, while in others, modern or innovative designs may be linked with superior taste. These cultural expectations affect how consumers interpret and enjoy food products. Sustainability and its influence on taste perception. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, sustainable packaging has become an important factor in how consumers view food. Eco-friendly packaging often carries connotations of health and purity, which can shape how people experience the taste of a product, even though sustainability is not inherently linked to flavor. Conclusion. Packaging as a taste modulator. Food packaging is much more than a protective barrier. It is a key player in shaping our sensory experience. By influencing color, texture, sound, and even our psychological expectations, packaging can dramatically alter how we perceive the taste of food. Understanding this dynamic allows food brands to connect with consumers in more profound and meaningful ways. Introduction. Algae as a sustainable food source. Algae has long been recognized for its potential as a sustainable food source. Rich in essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals, algae could play a crucial role in addressing global food shortages. As the world faces increasing challenges related to climate change and overpopulation, algae offers a promising alternative to traditional food sources. Algae's nutritional benefits for global health. Algae is packed with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential amino acids. These nutrients are vital for human health, and algae can provide a plant-based alternative to animal products, which require significant resources. By incorporating algae into diets, it's possible to improve nutrition, especially in regions facing food insecurity. Algae's role in sustainable agriculture. Unlike traditional crops, algae can be cultivated with minimal land and water usage, making it an ideal candidate for sustainable agriculture. Algae can grow in a variety of environments, including oceans, freshwater bodies, and even wastewater. This flexibility allows for cultivation without competing for valuable land or freshwater resources, which are becoming increasingly scarce. Algae's efficiency in carbon sequestration. Algae is highly efficient in photosynthesis, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By cultivating algae at scale, we could reduce greenhouse gases, mitigating climate change while simultaneously providing a valuable food source. This dual benefit positions algae as a key player in both food security and environmental sustainability. Algae in food products, from snacks to supplements. Algae is already being integrated into a variety of food products, from energy bars to smoothies. Algae-based ingredients, such as spirulina and chlorella, are popular in health supplements due to their high protein content. As consumer awareness grows, algae's presence in mainstream food products is expected to increase, making it more accessible to global populations. The environmental impact of algae farming. Algae farming has a relatively low environmental impact compared to conventional agriculture. Algae does not require fertilizers or pesticides, which are common in traditional crop farming and contribute to environmental degradation. By adopting algae farming, we can reduce the need for harmful chemicals and promote a more sustainable food system. Algae as a solution for food insecurity. In regions where food insecurity is most pronounced, algae could offer a critical solution. Its ability to grow quickly and in diverse conditions means it could be produced locally, reducing reliance on imports and food aid. By creating community-scale algae farming projects, areas in need could have access to a steady, nutritious food supply. Challenges in scaling algae as food. While algae holds great potential, scaling it for global consumption presents challenges. These include increasing production efficiency, improving consumer acceptance, and overcoming the high costs associated with some algae products. Research and innovation are key to addressing these challenges and making algae a more mainstream food option. Algae's role in the future of global food security. As the global population continues to grow, and traditional food sources become strained, algae could be a game changer. By offering a nutritious, sustainable, and environmentally friendly food option, algae may help feed millions of people while contributing to a healthier planet. Its role in the future of food security is one to watch. Conclusion. Algae is a key to combating food shortages. Algae presents a promising solution to the growing global food crisis. Its nutritional value, sustainability, and adaptability make it a viable alternative to traditional crops. By investing in algae-based food systems, we can help ensure a more resilient, sustainable food future for all.